Want to know how Shopee charges a seller? Watch this video to learn all of it. Typically, Shopee charges 3 types of fees: commission fee, service fee, and transaction fee. Let's first explain the transaction fee, the easiest of all. Transaction fee is collected by payment gateway, such as e-banking or e-wallet. So the calculation is simply 2% of whatever the buyer's payment, excluding VAT or SST. In Malaysia, adding 6% of SST making transaction fee 2.12%. Shopee in some other countries charge a uniform fee upon every completed order. You may find out more in Shopee Seller Education Hub in respective countries. Should the buyer purchase any insurance that is bared by the platform, the price of the insurance will not be calculated into transaction fees. Commission fee is charged upon all completed orders. In the early days, Shopee Malaysia collected 2% from all completed orders for every seller. Early 2023, it was changed to product category base, with a fee rate ranging from 0% to 10%. I'll explain the formula to calculate together with service fee. Service fee is charged upon completed orders based on the marketing program a seller had joined. For example, the free shipping program, coins cashback, and rebate now programs. Here's their respective fee rate. The calculations for commission fee and service fee are basically the same. In most situations, take the product price minus any seller provided discounts and then multiply the fee rate. Of course, there are some special cases where the calculation is different. Say Shopee gives a seller fee rate discount or waive of commission fee, just for an example. Now, Shopee is an e-commerce platform where the system is written by human beings. We can't deny there's bugs within the system from time to time, especially when they are doing some adjustment or system upgrade. It is the seller's responsibility to learn and have a complete knowledge on how these fees work, so we can validate and identify if there's any system error and miscalculated fees. We need to report to the customer service and claim back whatever we paid extra. You might be saying, with such a huge order volume, how is it possible to validate one by one? Well, this is where my Shopee calculator comes in. $100 Shopee calculator is a free Excel template. It includes a lot of modules, has plenty of functionalities.